आपने ऐसा कुछ क्रेजी करा है जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल कि हाँ आपकी हालत खराब है लेकिन आप तब भी लगे पड़े हो कि भाई जाना है करना है चाहे कुछ, बिकॉज मेरे अंदर ये कीड़ा था कि यार मेरी बीच में तबीयत खराब हो गई थी एंड आई वाज लाइक यार मेरे को आई डोंट थिंक दैट आई विल डू द ट्रैक नेक्स्ट डे, बट आई वाज लाइक नहीं चलता बिकॉज ट्रैक के अंदर आपको बहुत सारी सारी फैसिलिटीज, यू डोंट गेट द बेस्ट ऑफ फैसिलिटीज, यू हैव टू टेक द टैबलेट्स, आई मीन सम थिंग्स देयर वाज अ टैबलेट आल्सो बाय द नेम रोको which ensures कि अगर if you want to you know take a dump, you can't because you're on a trek, you can't do midway because there is no facilities out there, so there's a tablet called Roco, ठीक है ना? तो इस टाइप की चीजें भी कर रखी है because you're actually challenging yourself mentally.
And you're challenging your body in all possible ways.
तो मैं कह रहा था कि have you done I mean this kind of crazy things? I'm sure that पक्का से किया होगा because you yourself are an adventurer, आपको भी पसंद है, कुछ ऐसा हुआ क्या?
So, intentionally I won't say कि मैंने adventure किया है, but I would say there was one time, okay, I had gone to Goa with my friends. It was before I got married, and I kind of broke my leg there, my ankle, and not just one, both.
Okay.
Okay, and it was last 2 days of Goa, so most of the Goa that we had already covered, so it was still fine, and उस गोवा से वापस आने के जस्ट एक हफ्ते बाद आई वाज सपोज्ड टू गो टू हांगकांग.
You broke your both legs
Both legs
in Goa,
in Goa.
and then you have to go to Hong Kong.
After 1 week, I had another trip. And then that was a business trip for office work, and I was supposed to go to Hong Kong just a week after that. So while I was in Goa, so I was coming out of my hotel room, and my ankle twisted really bad, one ankle. And okay, fine, we were going out. We stopped, and we thought, okay, we'll go after some time. After 2 hours, it was still fine. It got fine, and we decided, okay, now let's go out again. And when I was moving out of the hotel room again, my other ankle twisted exactly in the same way like the previous one, and now both my ankles are not working. I was literally in a position where I could not carry my body weight. Literally, मुझे कहीं से कहीं जाने के लिए my friends were supposed to hold me like this and put me on the bed.
Really?
It was so bad. And ठीक है, गोवा में हो गया काम, वहाँ से हम वापस भी आ गए. And then एक हफ्ते बाद जाना था Hong Kong, and as I reached home, of course I went to the doctor, and it was a ligament tear.
It's very painful.
Yeah, it was very, very painful. And I still remember going to the doctor and asking कि मेरे को एक हफ्ते बाद, हाँ, मैंने उनसे 2 सवाल पूछे कि मैं ड्राइव करके ऑफिस जाती हूँ तो मैं ड्राइव कर सकती हूँ क्या. एंड देन आई ऑल्सो आस्क्ड हिम कि मुझे अभी 3-4 दिन बाद हांगकांग जाना है तो विल आई बी एबल टू वॉक. एंड डॉक्टर seemed very, he got really intrigued by my question, and he was like कि आपकी लाइफ बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है, अभी गोवा से आ रहे हो पैर तुड़वा के, आपको ड्राइव भी करना है, आपको हांगकांग भी जाना है, आपको सब कुछ करना है, कुछ नहीं छोड़ना है. So keeping that aside, ultimately I went to Hong Kong.
डॉक्टर शायद उसके ज्यादा घूमने को नहीं मिलता, वो इस तरह से सवाल पूछा होगा.
Ultimately I did go to Hong Kong, and if you know, Hong Kong is a place where you have to walk. You have to walk and walk and walk. People in Hong Kong just walk. वहाँ पे public transport, generally people take metros, and then they just walk. And so those 4-5 days when I was in Hong Kong, I literally used to walk because compromise नहीं कर सकते, घूमने के साथ compromise नहीं हो सकता. So I literally had my feet in the morning, it used to be of a normal size. By the evening, because I used to be walking so much, it used to become this big with swelling. I used to put the crepe bandage, every now and then. Then I used to remove it again. Next day, it used to come back to its normal size. By evening, it used to become this big in swelling. But yeah, that's how I did the entire trip. But there was no
आपको पता है
compromise.
कि जब पैर जा सकते थे इसमें
उस वक्त सिर्फ ये पता था कि घूमना है.
कि जिंदगी में व्हील चेयर हो सकता था.
उस वक्त सिर्फ ये पता था कि घूमना है.
तो oh my god, this is really crazy. So how many kilometers did you walk every day?
At least 10 to 12 kilometers or more. In fact, 15.
Well, a ligament tear.
Yeah.
This is definitely not. This is not at all advisable. Oh my god! And you walk every day.
Every day.
And this was for how many days? Kong?
Around 4-5
Oh my
days.
God. So 40 kilometers.
Yeah.
So to and fro, or just one side?
No, it not one side or two side. It was more like overall in a
Overall
day.
extent. Oh
Overall
my
in a
God.
day, like
40
I'll be going to
kilometers.
different places.
यहाँ पे तो 10 किलोमीटर का उसमें ही भागने के अंदर लोग रजिस्ट्रेशन करते हैं कि हम लोग you walked with a ligament there 40 kilometers. Oh my God, commendable. Big hand. Big hand to you. That's actually very crazy.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching this entire clip. अगर आपको और ऐसे insightful clips देखने हैं, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for the solo clips. और अगर इसी clip का पूरा episode आपको देखना है, तो यहाँ पर screen पर आपको दिख रहा है. Please click and enjoy. Thank you for staying with us.